So we are at Sam's Express Car Wash getting this truck clean. We are next in line. And I will have y'all to know that this truck was really, 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 really dirty. Yes, it was. So we are next. I'll let y'all see the finished product when we're done to see how it looks. So yeah, we are in line now, y'all. Listen, I be getting anxiety at these car wash because I don't know what to do. I don't know whether I'm on the right alignment track with the tires or whatever. So yeah. Do I take my foot off the brake or what? Okay. All right. I don't know. You know what I'm doing. Sound like I'm running into stuff, and we'll see. So the vehicle got fairly clean. And the tires still need some shine on it, but for the most part, it got pretty clean. So we may have to go home and do a little bit more detailing. But for $9, I think it's pretty